Jane Doe-755. Date of birth, January 1st, 1900. Gift, GIFT, Gamete Intrafallopian Transfer. Mount Sinai Hospital, 600 fucking University Avenue, fucking Toronto, fucking Ontario. Got it? Honorable Citizen, City of London State. 2. Directed to. Docket case file number, insert pertinent court, just whatever. Then you have as the header, Jane Doe-755, plaintiff versus insert whoever the fuck the criminal is, cop, judge, lawyer, whatever, as defendant. Remember, you're acting in honor now with this name. You have an honorable citizen status when you step into this role. You step in, you step out. It is not you, it is separate from you, but you can be it. Walk between the worlds here. So notice of attempted murder, motion and notice, and that's more than that. I think attempted murder gets the attention right out of the gate. Notice of attempted murder, motion and notice of attempted murder with by 4 of intent, knowingly, unknowingly. Inasmuch as a living human being can be a legal person, dead by definition, legally in dishonor, so must it also be true that a legal person can be a living human being. Therefore, any dishonorable non-bar member committing fraud via using Crown copyright property without permission, also known as any and all legal names and titles, etc., at all, coercing a fraudulent legal name from any and all living human beings is legal murder with intent, being into a fraudulent and dead legal name fiction, merely by asking, demanding, forcing by any and all means, any and all living human beings, and by definition, murdering them legally. See attached notices. Already went through them. You know what that is. Inasmuch as any and all living human beings claim to be or use any and all legal names, etc., that are Crown copyright property, which is the body of works, not title. Mom and Dad sold the body through the given name. You didn't build the body. Without permission are, in fact, in fraud, doing so, unknowingly or knowingly. Whereas Jane Doe-755 is gifted from said Crown Corporation owners, thus has full status as an honorable citizen of London State. And I, the living human being, soul, stand as an agent, administrator, last holder in due course, etc., for this honorable legal name, invoice, Jane Doe-755, gift, intra vivos, absolute, from, by, of, for the Crown Corporation, City of London, State citizen, where those who use any and all legal names, fully surrendered by their creators, intellectual property transfer, mother, father, to the Crown Corporation are in full dishonor and fraud, without voice, void, devoid of any all honorable legal standing, and have committed crime both against me, the living honorable citizen, City of London State, and their oaths to protect any and all honorable Crown citizens where they are not. Occurring on, insert date, of aforementioned docket case file number, evidence of fraud, intent to commit legal murder, high treason, etc., unidentified, identified, dishonorable legal name, numbered persons claiming themselves officers, agents of the insert corporate jurisdiction, i.e. state, city, whatever the cops are, whatever the city is, doesn't matter. Use your imagination. Just fill in the brackets. It's easy. Which is a fraudulent legal name, Crown officers by oath. You can put them in there as well. Attempted to coerce or force kidnap me into being legally dead by an ignorant consent through intimidation, interrogation, force, bearing false witness, sexual assault, etc. at all, where I am not ignorant of this legal name fraud. Inasmuch as the legal name gift and mine to use, Jane Doe-755, is transgendered and not spiritually, physically divided, and is with intent assaulted sexually, any all physical contact by any male, female is in fact sexual assault, to be made or deemed legally dead. Yet for the name, you're trying to kill me. Now I've got one you can't kill, and you just came up against a citizen of the City of London, an honorable one. You're fucked. Heck yeah. So guess who gets the short end of that, the cop? It ain't me. Inasmuch as I have honorable use of the gift Jane Doe-755 legal name, it is now your obligation as an honorable citizen of the City of London State to investigate this matter and set right what has been made wrong against myself, where I am now acting in the role of honorable citizen in good standing, void of unclean hands, where it is now your obligation to protect the Crown Corporation and any all citizens in good standing to the furthest extent of law, and prosecute any all fraudulent, dishonorable, honorable legal name belligerents with unclean hands, as deemed fit and required by law. Those who make the laws must obey the laws. Catch 22. Any all Crown entity legal name titles attached to the aforementioned docket case file number that are guilty by of for their already known actions are to be brought by summons, only the living can be subpoenaed, to be prosecuted for these and any all other crimes I deem relevant to this case. In full honor, the living witness for Jane Doe-755, in brackets, race DNA sealed, the writer of this motion document.